Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Come closer to this video. Let us make a liquid deodorizer that will keep your apartment fresh for more than 48 hours. This is very nice. I wish you can perceive the fragrance I'm making here. Very colorful and very effective. You can use it in your restroom, you can use it in your sitting room, you can use it everywhere in the home. Let's go into the video. Now what I have here is a 4-liter keg. That is a 4-liter container, and I squeezed in about 120 grams of Texapon into the keg. It's a very quick and easy method of producing this liquid deodorizer. Now the essence of my putting the Texapon inside the keg is for me to be able to mix it faster and mix it properly. Now when you are turning it inside the bowl, it takes a longer time and sometimes it will have some lumps. But right here in the keg, you shake it very well, and before everything is mixed together. So I squeeze in all the Texapon into the keg, and I pour in my Methanol. That is my Methanol that I want to pour in. But before I pour it in, I added my Menthol. My Menthol is just about 10 grams. I added my Menthol into Methanol and dissolve Menthol right inside Methanol first. So you shake the bottom just the way I'm doing it right in the video there. You shake it properly, shake it vigorously, and you know menthol is solid, so you dissolve it completely before you now turn it inside the keg. So after you observe that the menthol has finally dissolved, then you turn the mixture of menthol and Methanol into the keg where you already have your Texapon. So that is what I'm going to use to dissolve the Texapon. So I'll cover the bottom, that is the keg, and then shake it again. Shake it, that is to allow Texapon to mix properly with Methanol, which I've already dissolved menthol inside. So you shake the keg very well, shake it very well. Now you can make this liquid deodorizer right inside the keg, or you can turn it afterwards into a bowl. Whichever way you choose to do it is okay. It's just to allow you to be able to mix it properly. So before I turn in the fragrance, I have to add water. The ingredients I'm using to make 5 liters of this liquid deodorizer. But because I want it to be very strong, I want the fragrance to be strong, to last longer, therefore I am making it into a 4-liter keg. So you fill the 4-liter keg with water, not to the brim, so that you can have a space for the fragrance that you have not added. So you continue to put in water. You put water to a mark that at least will allow you to add your fragrance, just like you can see in the video. So I'm adding the fragrance. Now this fragrance I'm adding is a mixture. It's a mixture of Ambi and lemon. That's what I'm adding. So you add the fragrance, then you cover the keg and make sure you shake it very well, so that the mixture of the fragrance, all the ingredients, the Texapon, the water, everything, the Methanol can mix up completely. So you can see what I'm doing in the video, shaking it. Now I turned mine into a bowl. I turned it into the bowl. You can finish up everything right in the keg. The main reason why I turned my own into a bowl is because I want to make sure I have different colors of this deodorizer. But if you are making just one color right inside the keg, you can add the colorant that you want. Whether you want it to be blue, you want it to be pink, yellow, whatever color you want, you can add it directly into the keg and shake it, and the deodorizer is ready. but I didn't want to make a single color. I wanted to make a kind of variety of colors so that it can be beautiful. So that is why I turned mine back into the bucket, and I did not add any color immediately. You can see that I was bottling first. I did bottling, and then I added the color that I wanted in each of the bottles. That was what I did. So you can, if you are making a single color deodorizer, you don't have to go through all this process. What you just have to do is, as you have done the mixing in the egg, add your colorant and shake very well, and then it's ready. You can now dispense into your smaller bottles or whatever container that you want to use as a carrier, container that you want to use as a carrier. So, but if you want to make a variety of colors, you can follow this process I'm using. After turning it into the bottles, you can now put different colors in different bottles. So I only did 2 colors. That's pink and blue. I pink and blue. Looking at that colorant on the floor, it looks like purple, but it's not. When you turn it in water, it's going to change to pink. That's the beauty of chemistry, and these are things that are very interesting to the eyes. So you turn it, and then I added blue to the second bottle. They came out very beautiful. I love the 2 colors. My choice of the 2 colors came out fine, and I'm so pleased with it. Not only the fragrance, apart from the fragrance, the color will attract the eyes first before they can open it to know how nice the product is. So you have to make it very attractive. That's why I'm using these 2 colors. There are other colors you can use. You can use lilac, you can use lemon, you can use any color, but these are just the 2 that I felt like choosing for this video, and it came out fine. Look at the pink, very beautiful. I actually made it for his and hers, so you can choose. As a guy, you can use the blue color. The lady, you can use the pink color. That is actually the secret behind my choosing pink and blue. Now look at how fine it is. Yeah, I know you like this video. Please give us thumbs up, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to your friends, drop your comments below, and ask your questions. You can also comment on what you want me to do next, and I tell you I will oblige you. So God bless you, and thank you very much for always coming to my channel. God bless you. Bye.